We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the 2-bedroom apartment 9C. We're on the top floor of this 9-floor building. Let's go on into the apartment. As we enter, we've got the kitchen on our left-hand side. This is one of our renovated kitchens, so you can see here that we've got the new appliances, the stainless refrigerator, the new cabinets and countertop and backsplash. The microwave is above the sink. We've got that dishwasher under the sink with the sprayer, and the stove and oven over here. So that's a gorgeous new renovated kitchen here in the apartment. We're gonna go across the hall from the kitchen area and see the bathroom. The bathroom is the same that we've seen in the other units here in the building. So we have that full-size shower and tub here. And as we go through, there's the sink and vanity, and we'll go the other way for the toilet, and there's a cabinet here on the wall as well. Let's go see the main parts of the apartment. So we've got the living space over here, the living room. As we go in, they've done a nice setup for the furniture in here. It makes it very nice and wide, a nice open space. There's a dining table and chair. There's the TV on the wall, some seating areas and tables. And again, the way they've set it up in here really gives us an open feeling. The windows in this unit all face to the east in all of these 2-bedroom apartments here in Collegetown Plaza. You can see the air conditioner for the living room is underneath the window. And so here's that east view. We're looking up Dryden Road. This red building in front of us is Collegetown Center. The intersection up here at the corner is College Ave and Dryden Road, which is the main intersection of Collegetown, where we are just 1 block from campus. This apartment is available, this C model apartment is available on floors 6 through 9. We're in floor 9, which is the top floor. The building does have an elevator. If you recall from the building overview video, we enter the building on floor 4. So we've come up to floor 9, and we're on the east side of the building. So we are actually 5 floors above ground. We're going into the first bedroom, which is on the right-hand side and closer to the bathroom. This is bedroom 1. This bedroom has a unique window setup with a pair of split windows. That's a fun feature in the C line of apartments. I like how they've set the furniture up in this room in particular, with a bed over here and the dresser and bookshelf over here. I'm gonna go over closer to the window and show you where the desk is. There's a look out that window. So closet over here. And in this one, we've got the desk tucked in this little nook by the door. I think this is a great layout for this apartment. That desk fits in there very nicely. This is one of the better layouts that I've seen for this bedroom. People put the furniture in all sorts of different positions in the apartment, and sometimes it works really well. Sometimes you have to walk around things a little bit more, but I think that's a nice layout. Let's go to the other bedroom. We're crossing the living room. We're going to bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 is closer to Dryden Road. So you get the best people watching from this room. You can see right up Dryden Road. You can always see what's going on in Central Collegetown, and you've got that great east morning exposure, so nice and bright, especially in the mornings. And this one has the bed here by the window, and the dresser over here in the nook, which is fun. And I think the desk might fit in there pretty well too. And the bookshelf over here. And this one, they put the desk over here. So lots of different choices for furniture arrangements. Just move things around however you like. And another closet. So each room has its own closet. Both rooms will have a lock on the door. So this is a look at Collegetown Plaza. We're in the 2-bedroom apartment 9C. Again, this model or layout of apartment is available on floors 6 through 9 in this 9-floor elevator building. We're located at 111 Dryden Road, right here in the center of Collegetown. And we're just 1 block from campus.